Okay, we're going to be making Leroy and Lewis's Beet BBQ sauce. This recipe was scaled down and adapted from when Chud posted it on Leroy and Lewis's YouTube channel about 3 years ago. So we need garlic, black pepper, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, ancho chili powder, red pepper, cayenne pepper, cumin, ketchup, mustard, salt, sugar, paprika, and of course, beets. Okay, so these amounts are going to be small because, like I said, I scaled this down from an over a gallon recipe on the video. So we're going to use 2 1/4 teaspoons of garlic powder. We're using 1 1/2 tablespoons of ancho chili powder. We're using apple cider vinegar, which is 1/3 cup plus a tablespoon. Same amount of Worcestershire sauce. And then here's our sugar, which is 1/3 cup plus a tablespoon. Here's our salt, which is 2 1/4 teaspoons. And then in here we have our cayenne, paprika, and cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of each. So we're going to take this, get this simmering on the stove. And while that happens, I'll get to juicing these beets. Okay, this is the juicer I'm using. It's the Huron H70. You open up the top. There's a single blade. You just load it up. The beets, close it, turn it on. And here we're going to add the mustard. It's 1/3 cup plus a teaspoon of mustard. It's 1 1/3 cups and a tablespoon of ketchup. And then we have our black pepper, which is 3 tablespoons. And we have 1/4 cup and 2 teaspoons of the beet juice. Once the pot on the stove comes to a simmer, I'll mix it in here. I'll use the blender to mix it up. We'll bottle it. We'll be done. Okay, it's hot. Just going to dump it in here first to help rinse out residual ketchup. Dump it in. And now we'll hit it with the stick blender. There it is. It tastes good. You can only taste a little bit of the beet. So, you're getting some of those earthy notes, but it's not overpowering. It just gives an interesting flavor that would pair really good with whatever you put it on. So I'm going to take it, get a funnel, and it's time to bottle.